I3DL Target Groups, or, who should be interested in I3DL? Companies and professionals who want to adopt 3D tech and related know-how. Tech makers, jewelry makers, designers and artists. Owners of 3D printers, who want to optimize their 3D print results. Consumers who plan to purchase a 3D printer, and require acquisition and decision-making supports. Academic researchers who want to equip their lab facilities with custom parts, tools and systems. Startup entrepreneurs, and graduates who are looking for a new profession and attractive career options. Trainees and students, who have already completed computer training, and seek specialization. University professors, teachers, instructors, technology trainers, and lab technicians. And those interested in a professional certification on 3D printing. I3DL network includes these. I3DL event hosts are the individuals or organizations that host I3DL events and take care of the local organizations. Accredited I3DL trainers are the trainers specifically accredited to run the I3DL events. Accredited I3DL centers, which organize multiple I3DL events and have the required infrastructure and trainers. Regional and country representatives are organizations which represent I3DL in multiple locations, a region or country. As a graduate of I3DL program, you have multiple paths to precede your career development. There are multiple industries that are seeking 3D tech experts, and some of these include software industries and app development, mechanical engineering, robotics and automation, material engineering, consumer electronics, architecture and interior design, and automotive industry. Now it's time for you to get started with the 3D printing and I3DL. Get further information on www.i3dl.org.